Welcome to Charts from the Media. Today is November 17th, 2013. We are going to be looking at FedEx FDX. We'll be taking an investor's view, not a day trader's view. We'll be taking activity and investors into consideration in this video. We will be looking at 4 charts, 1 of the weekly, 2 daily, and the point and figure with the target. FedEx has been in the news a lot this week. It's had a lot of activity in the past month also. Looking at the daily chart at first, I need to start looking at a point of reversal because I was seeing some signs of divergence, so I was thinking maybe try to anticipate it. However, sometimes it is best to stay on the sidelines, or if you do want to trade, it's best to have your stops in place. The daily charts look toppish, but no trend line has been broken on the downside. The weekly chart just had a strong candlestick up. Dan Loeb and George Soros and hedge funds have recently added big positions into FedEx. George Soros has also taken call positions. And the stock is up 25% since early October. So here we definitely have some conflicting information. Let's take a look at the charts and see what they look like. Like I said, when I first saw the daily chart, I was thinking, oh, I should maybe look at a reversal. However, looking at the weekly chart, we've got some strong candlesticks up. Last week was a strong candlestick. We are in overbought territory on both the RSI and the stochastics. However, there's no sell signal yet or no reversal signal here. When we look at the Fibonacci retracement levels, the first one's down at 121. So yeah, that sounds like a much better entry point than a 138. However, let's look at the daily chart and see what that looks like. This daily chart is why I was thinking, maybe we're getting a little bit toppish. I should be looking for a potential reversal. The stock has been up 25% since early October. On the 15th, it gapped up, then closed with a bearish candlestick on an even to lower volume. If the gap fills, then the next support is at 130 without much support through to the 120 range. When we look at the rest of the chart, we have some signs of divergence. So we have the lower highs on RSI and stochastics. However, we have that higher high in price. So here it's setting up for divergence. However, we have to pay attention that these have not turned down yet. So we're not getting that full divergence signal, and we don't have a trend line that is broken on the downside. Let's take a look at that candlestick from Friday. That is a bearish candlestick. However, if you look at the 3 candlesticks before, very strong. The next candlestick or 2 for the daily chart are going to be important, but even more important, you really need to watch that weekly chart to see what's going to happen there. You really want to see a clear sell signal if you wanted to short this, meaning a break of a trend line down with the divergence pattern. Looking at the point and figure chart, it had a bullish price objective of 135, which has been met. It's up here at 138 right now. As you can see, there's not a lot of support on the way down. So with all the information that we have here, we know that there's some big buyers that have come in. We know that the daily chart is possibly looking a little bit bearish. However, the weekly chart does not really give an indication of that bearishness. This would be one of those stocks to where you could wait on the sidelines, wait till you get a clearer signal. There's always other stocks to trade. If you did want to jump in one way or the other, you could always just do so with really tight stops. Either way, if you're a bear or a bull, trade safe. Thanks for watching. Visit chartsfromthemedia.com for definitions, learning tools, videos, and more.